Hello sir, now I have presented this unit plan for our module 2 assignment 1. The course I am handling here is metal casting and forming, and under this course is for the second semester students. These are the textbook references and these are the course outcomes for this course. These are prescribed in our syllabus, which is passed in our Board of Studies and Academic Council. And right now I am handling these two course outcomes. They are Bloom's level comes under understand and apply, and these are the suggested textbooks for this course. Until these content they are taken from our syllabus, and now I am I have worked on this unit plan. This unit plan I would suggest my students to read chapter 7 from this textbook 1 or chapter 8 from this textbook 2. They cover these two topics in general. And this is my course schedule. This is my 14th class, which I am expected to take tomorrow, and consecutive days I have marked it, and they address the course outcome 1 and 2 with these topics. On tomorrow's class I would like to introduce about the topics, and I would introduce them by distinguishing the difference between plastics, ceramics and metal, so that they get a sense of comparison, and to make some excitement or bring some intellectual thoughts within them. I would make some comparisons with real world objects, with a plastic bottle, a pen cap, a bike engine, so that they can relate it with the real world components and they can understand the need for studying about plastics. And once they get this sense, then we could get in a step further, can elaborate about the various physical, mechanical, electrical, chemical properties of these plastic materials. And on the next class I would start with somewhat advanced questions like why do we prefer plastics for such an application and not for such an application. So mobile phone, engine parts, these questions they could relate it quickly, and many students will be free to open up with these questions. And I will also ask them to present a few plastic components, and they could segregate which comes under thermoplastics and which comes under thermoset plastics. But by this way they will get a clear understanding, and on day-to-day activities they see various materials, they can identify which plastics are used at this specific application. And these next three topics they come under the manufacturing of these plastics. So for this, to bring them with the intellectual excitement, I would like to take a plastic pipe, a shampoo bottle, a toy balloon, syringes, these items to the classroom on these specific dates gradually. So they will get an understanding on the different types of plastics and the various manufacturing principles involved. So initially I have not planned any evaluation, but at the later stage I will have a non-graded evaluation where I will ask them to identify the various manufacturing process involved in these different plastics, as well as I will conduct a mini quiz using Kahoot. I am comfortable with using Kahoot, and as an end evaluation, this is graded. Of course this marks will be carried for them. I would ask them to select a plastic component of their choice, and they need to address the nature of the plastic, the manufacturing process involved, and the topics which we have seen earlier. So this is my unit wise plan for my course on metal casting and